Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome everybody to the fourth class and the first class in the new section, I Can Learn Arabic Faster. In the first three classes, we have discovered that there are some letters in Arabic that we call them refusal letters, like da, ra, za. And we call them refusal letters because they don't get connected to the following letter from the left side, right? As you see, just they have two shapes. Refusal letters can be like this or like this. Just have one arm or one line from the right side in order to get connected to the previous letter when it is a regular letter. So let me just add one piece of information here. Refusal letters in Arabic, just 6 letters. We have learned 3, and today we are gonna add one more. Look, it's a very beautiful one, right? Okay, so from now on, when I say it's a refusal letter, I don't need to explain that it doesn't get connected from the left side. Like this, we will save more time and learn faster. Let's get started. Today, we will have a cool friend. I will introduce it after writing more 2 words. June and what? Okay, now let's substitute some of the English letters by one Arabic letter. So I have here cool. Let's write it like this. I will substitute the O by this letter. You see? And then I will add the L. June. I will substitute the U by the same letter. What? I will substitute the W by the same letter. So we have here cool. Now after I substituted by this letter, it became cool. Pay attention. Cool. 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 The sound is different a little bit. Cool. Cool. It's a little bit different from the sound of O. Okay. Here I have June. Here it became like June. June. Okay. And here we have what. It will be the same. What? Actually, this is a vowel in Arabic, okay? And the sound changes a little bit. It's not exactly like the sound of O or U in English. As you see here, you say cool. If I pronounce it in Arabic style, it will be cool, cool. June, it will be June, June. What? It will be the same. What? So in this case, just it sound the same. Okay? Another example, if I say which, I can substitute W by this vowel, it will be the same. Which. So we can say that the sound of this vowel in Arabic, it is really very close to the sound of W when it is in the beginning of the word in English. And it is close from the sound of U in this case and O in this case. But it is not exactly the same. This is our friend. It's a vowel in Arabic. It sounds ooh, 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 like this. Check the video description. You are gonna find another video explaining to you how to pronounce this vowel correctly. So if I want to say wa, I will just add our mark here on the top. Now we have wa, wa. It's the same sound. Wa, wa. There is no any difference. Okay? Wa is a refusal letter. I think now you know that it doesn't get connected to the following letter from the left side. Let's write together. Now let's write from the right to the left. Wa, wa, wa. Super easy, right? So it will be like this. Wa, 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 wa. As you see, they are not connected. Now let's learn another letter in Arabic. Actually, it's a regular letter that can get connected from the left and the right side. This sound in English, sh, 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 sh. Does this sound right? Am I correct? Sh. In Arabic, it is this beautiful letter. Sh, 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 sh. They are the same. Let's write a word in English. Shame. Shame. It's a funny word, in my opinion. So the word shame, I can substitute the SH by sh. So it can be like this, as you see here. And then I complete the word. So it is shame, 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 shame. There is no any difference. Now let's write she, she. I need now to get the sound of A. I will just add this diacritical mark on the top. Fatha, she, 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 she. Now let's do our training. Let's write this word, shawasha. Let's read together. Sha, 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 shawasha. Let's write it in Arabic. Pay attention to the shape of sha in the beginning of the word. It is like sa. You have already learned it before. Sha. 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 Sha sha 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 sha. Sha is the sister of sa. Now pause the video, review everything that we have talked about today, and come back as soon as possible. I'm waiting for you here. Welcome back, my friends. Now we have wa, sha, wa, sha. Let's write this word. Let's connect wa to sha. How it will be? Wa, sha. Right? Wa, sha, washa, washa. Let's invert. Let's start with sha. Sha. Wa. Wa is a refusal letter, as you see here, right? But all letters can get connected from the right side when the previous letter is a regular letter, as you see. Wa. Let's read together. Shawa, shawa, washa, washa, shawa, shawa. Pause the video, write everything down, and come back as soon as possible, okay? Don't go anywhere. You must finish this class today, okay? One shot. I'm waiting for you. So guys, based on what you have learned, that we have two shapes of wa, right? I think you can deduce it, right? Wa and this shape. Wa, wa. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Let's see sha. As we said, sha is the sister of sa. You have learned it before. Sha in the beginning of the word. Sha in the middle of the word. Sha in the end of the word. Sha in the end of the word. Let's write our beautiful 5 words. The first one is Washasha. Washasha. Let's write. Write with me, please. Wa, sha. Wa is a refusal letter. I think now you know why it looks like this, the word. The second word is shawasha. Shawasha. Sha, wa, sh, shawasha, wawasha, shawasha. Okay, the following word is shawa, shawa, sha, wa, shashawa. The fourth word is shawawa, sha, wa, shawawa. The last word is washasha, washasha, sha, sha. Let's read them together. Wawasha, 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 wawasha. Shawasha, 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 shawasha. Shashawa, 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 shashawa. Shawawa, 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 shawawa. Washasha, 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 washasha. Based on the previous classes, you know why they got this shape. You know why wa in the end of the word it looks like this and here it looks like this, right? So let's review together now. Wa in the beginning of the word, it's always this shape, as you see here and here. So this is wa in the beginning of the word. Wa in the middle of the word can be this one if the previous letter is a refusal letter, or this one if the previous letter is a regular letter, right? Let's see when the end of the word. It could be like this if the previous letter is a regular letter, or like this if the previous letter is a refusal letter. The conclusion, wa, always it looks like this in the beginning of the word. Wa in the middle of the word can be this or this. Wa in the end of the word can be this or this. Let's check sha. Sha in the beginning of the word, in the beginning of the word, in the beginning of the word. So it's always like this. We don't have any other option. Sha in the middle of the word can be like this or like this. It's like this when the previous letter is a regular letter, and it is like this when the previous letter is a refusal letter. Let's see sha in the end of the word. It can be like this or like this. It's like this when the previous letter is a regular letter, and it is like this when the previous letter is a refusal letter. The conclusion, sha in the beginning of the word, sha in the middle of the word can be this or this. Sha in the end of the word can be this or this. That's for today, guys. I wish you liked the class. Thank you for watching.